4, we are going to talk that we can have our vegetation carrying the sediment or carrying fluid that contains the sediment. Now, what are the types of vegetation you can see? Generally, see grasses, grasses of all types, maintained at various heights. Have types and have various heights. Could be Bermuda grasses, could be alfalfa, it could be any type of grass, any type of vegetation, or smaller trees, plants growing up there. So, and their activity is to retard the flow, to hold back the flow, because if the flow is not checked, if the velocity is excessively high, it will cause more erosion and generate more sediment, because it could be maybe the sediments may be causing problem downstream. You may not even need them, but they are causing problem. So, or you are checking erosion. There is a place or an area you want to check erosion. Please keep your through drainage to carry away the water. So you know what to do to reduce the flow, so as not to cause more erosion, so as not to cause more detachment. So the flow, the grasses will retard the flow, reduce the velocity and move. So because of that, you choose the type of grass and choose the height at which you are going to maintain it, because if you don't, they are important so as to get a very good result, an effective result in what you are doing. Otherwise, you may have wasted your resources. So grasses are very, very important. And another important factor you should consider is the slope. The slope. What is the slope of the land? What is the slope of the channel carrying the fluid? You must look at the slope. If you are the person designing it, it should be low, because if it is so high, it will cause excessive velocity and their end may be defeated. So that's a very important. And when you carry excessive sediment as a result of high velocity, high slope, and erosion, it may cause more harm or more damage downstream. So you have to have that in mind. And also think of your soil structure and soil texture. Talk of the texture, talk of the structure, and so on, so as to know what and what to do in order to get an effective result. So we'll continue from here next time.